Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create a business email using Squarespace. First, head over to your Squarespace dashboard, then go to the Domains section. Choose the domain where you want to create a business email. Next, on the left-hand panel, click on Email. Here, you'll have the option to create Google Workspace email, which will serve as your business one. Click on Get Started. For the first step, you'll need to select a Google Workspace plan to continue. Once you've chosen your plan, you'll be taken to the registration form. Fill out all the required information, and when you get to the username field, type in the name you want for your business email. For example, I'll type in contact, and as you can see, it appears at the beginning of my new email address. That will be your official business email. From there, just fill in the remaining fields, then click Save and Continue. Once you complete the process and reach the review section, your business email will be successfully set up and ready to use. And that's it. You now created a business email using Squarespace. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.